Just remember that. Overcharging on your positive side, undercharging on your negative side. So whichever side you see the corrosion on, it's doing that's what's causing it, okay? This right here, y'all. Look at the corrosion falling out of that. Look at that. Y'all see that? All right, YouTube. Welcome back to Philly D's Garage. So I got a quick one for y'all today. So I gotta change my battery terminals real quick, and they're gonna take too long. But basically what's been happening is, like, I'll go to start my car and it won't start. And it's been doing this for a long time. And I've been knew that this was the problem. I was just being lazy and I didn't change it. So if you can see how loose this terminal is. Now I've tightened this up before, tightened it. It's a little loose now, but it's not as tight as it could be now. But in fact, let me show y'all. Let's see how tight it is. Oh shit. Let's go forward. See, look, that's tight. I'm turning it right now with my hand. So that's tight. So even though that it's tight, it's still moving. That's literally moving. So I'm gonna change it with these new terminals. I bought these terminals from Rock Auto. They're the same terminals that's on there. Now these are factory terminals. They've never been changed as far as I know. So you might ask, why go with the same thing? Why not try something different? I figured if these terminals lasted this long, then a new pair of it will outlast the car. So I'm going to use the same terminals. Now I want to see if I can show you guys exactly what this car was doing. Let me see. Like, nothing will work. Everything, like, every time it has this little issue, nothing will work as expected. I mean, if you don't have a good connection. See, before I wasn't getting nothing. Like, this just happened literally not too long ago, today. So that's why, you know, well, the other day. So that's why I'm gonna figure I'd bring you guys along and show you. But let's see if I can. I just want to manipulate what it was doing, because you guys might have the same exact, the same problem. Man, I got stuck like this so many times. But it's gonna start right now because apparently it's making a good connection right now. But you guys see how loose it is. So to change these terminals is real easy. Toyota made it pretty simple, whereas though you got the connector, the terminal here, but then you got this extra bolt where your ground and power can attach to it. So all you need in this case, let's turn these lights off. Turn the lights off real quick. So I think that's a 10 mil. And also, as y'all can see, you see the corrosion here too. Like, this corrosion been building up too over the years. So that's another reason why I want to take that off and clean it. It's kind of broke because it's not broke, it's loose. All this corrosion is loose because I was going like this with this cable. So I think that's a 10 mil or 12. So yeah, that's one thing y'all might want to do. Battery maintenance, terminal maintenance. Like, you know, you go get your oil change. Damn, what size is that? Wow, we got a 13 on a terminal. So that's one thing y'all might want to do is, like, have your batteries checked, have your terminals checked. Because I mean, it's not like coming out in the morning on your way to work and your car won't start because of your battery. All right, so you definitely want to get that. That should definitely be one of your maintenance checks of your vehicle. All right, I ain't gonna be able to fucking turn this. Hold on, y'all. Hey, Curly D, give us the inside. Give us the inside footage. Bam. Let's see if I can. Yeah, there you go. All right, so that's that nut. All right, so look, see your ground just comes off just like that. So put that to the side. Now in this terminal here, it's trash. We don't want that no more. So usually, when you see this much corrosion, like this is the negative side. So that means your battery is basically undercharging. So when you see corrosion on your negative side of your battery, that means your battery is undercharging. If you see corrosion on your positive cable, which is here, all right, if you see corrosion on your positive cable, then that means your car is overcharging. So just remember that. Overcharging on your positive side, undercharging on your negative side. So whichever side you see the corrosion on, it's doing what is, that's what's causing it, okay? So we just blow that off. I had like a little tool that would just like clean that. I don't even know if I still got it. Oh man. It's kind of hard when you want to do something real quick, but you want to make a video. It never ends up being real quick. So I had some damn. I think I got a wire brush. If I clean it off with this. I was looking for a wire for my battery cleaner, specifically made to clean this will work. This battery been in here for a long time. It's been at least 4 years. So this battery probably be toast. Look at that, it's all chewed up. What the hell? That's probably from turning that. So clean that off. Then we want to take one of these new terminals. I already opened it up, so you just take one of these. We're going to put this on here. Then we're going to tighten this down. I think that's a 10. We're going to tighten this down real quick. First we gotta go in forward, y'all. Not reverse. Just wanna show y'all you gotta do maintenance on your battery too. I ain't gonna tighten it all the way up. Now they got like little terminal spacers. So like let's just say this is real loose in here and it wouldn't tighten up like it used to. Like they got little shims that will fit inside of here, and then you can sit your old one on top and then like reclamp it. I don't know, I might have used one of those once or twice before, but I don't know, I haven't used them too often like that. So so that's the ground side. So You want to leave that disconnected, and you want to do the positive side while the ground is disconnected, because you don't want to arc nothing. Get y'all up in here. So as y'all can see, this is kind of rusty, man. I don't know if that's gonna come off like it should, but let's try to take this one off first. I think that's what size is that? That's a 12 again, I think. Yeah, see, that side was a 13. This side is a 12. So this side got 2 cables on it. Hold on, y'all. You gotta go in reverse. Honestly, I don't like this design. It's all open, but that's how Toyota did it, so. There we go. So this will come apart. Got 2 cables. All right. You know one of these is running down to your starter. You gotta get power to your starter. All right, so we're gonna lean those down out the way. Now we gotta try to get this thing off. As y'all can see, this is kind of rusty. It feels like an 8. Yeah, nah. It's a 10, I guess. We're gonna spray this with a little bit of PB Blaster. That was a lot. All right, y'all, we're gonna try this 10 millimeter. Take this off. And this cable ain't that bad. You know, I could reuse this in you know, emergency situations, because it's not that bad. I don't know. Maybe this was changed before. I don't know. I don't think it was changed though. All right, so we're gonna clean this side off real quick with the wire brush. You know, you don't gotta get fancy. Just, you know, just clean it off real quick. Clean it off, get as much as you can get. This is some late night stuff right now. I'm just trying to, you know what I mean, bang this out real quick. You know what I mean? Alright, man. Alright, so we're gonna get our other cable. Put them on. So we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Put it in the place you want it at. Tighten it down. I just feel like this part here is like so like weak, or not weak, but like, I don't know. It's just, I don't know. I just feel like, I don't know. I just feel like it could be a little bit more secure than that, but all right, so you just put your 2 cables back on just like that. Put your nut on. All right. All right. Tighten it down. Let me get the right socket. So she's tight. Now that you got your power side on. Man, look at that. Look what they did to the Lexus, bro. I'll wipe that off. All right, so now we're gonna come around back to the ground side. Remember, you don't want your ground connected while you got the power just laying anywhere, because it's gonna ground out like that. Hold on, I just noticed I didn't put the washer back on that side. Put this. Oh shit. It's gonna spark, but I knew it was gonna spark, and this store scared me. It ain't scare me, but it just hold on. Put it down like that. I wish these terminals were like copper terminals. Copper terminals are better. Alright. That's good. Let's go back over to this side because I forgot to put the washer under there. I had a new washer. Where's the new one at? I guess that box didn't come with one. Oh no, it did. It's right here. Don't worry about the sparks. They ain't gonna hurt you. You must respect the electricity. Okay. All right, so that's pretty tight. We're gonna check this one again. All right, that's good. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I know this ain't a perfect job. It wasn't meant to be perfect. It was just, you know what I mean? I just decided to do this real quick before I head to work tomorrow. I mean, and that's it. I mean, we're gonna use some dielectric grease. We're gonna put a little bit over it just to help seal it up. All right, you could use battery protectant stuff. They got all types of different stuff you can use. This is fine. Just put a little bit over it. You know what I mean? It'll keep it from getting getting corroded. Just a little bit. Some might disagree that this is the best product to use. Some might agree that it is. I've never had an issue with dielectric grease. In fact, I use dielectric grease on a lot of stuff, a lot of different stuff, different applications. It works well. I mean, it actually tells you on the bottle. Where does it say it at? I don't fucking know. I thought it did. I got another bottle here. Look. Protects electrical contacts. Lubricates and seals O-rings. Prevents rust and corrosion. Y'all see that? See? So now y'all see why I use dielectric grease. And look, I got battery cleaner here, and I got battery protectant somewhere back there also. But that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna use dielectric grease. So let's see if this bad boy will start, y'all. Man, it messed up the Lexus, bro. What the fuck? All right. Let's see if we're gonna have any more issues with starting. Look at this. Old, new. Old. This right here, y'all. Look at the corrosion falling out of that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that shit. That will prevent your car from starting. All right. That's crazy. You know how many people misdiagnose a no start? You know, calling it a starter or a battery or something when it just be something as simple as connectors. All right, so we got light. So we know the battery is on. You know what? Hold on, y'all. Before I start it up, let me just use my battery tester that I leave up here on a snap-on bag. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, enough of that. I love that bag. I started carrying too much stuff in it, and I needed something much more bigger. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Hook it up. Hook it up. By the way, y'all, this is one of the best, most inexpensive battery testers you'll ever use. So right now I'm sitting at 12.59, which is really good. That's a good surface charge. This battery is good. So by me hooking up these two cables here, that's telling me that I got a good connection through these cables, through this scanner, and back in, all the way around the electrical system on this car and back. Everything is working. All right, it's a standard battery. Let's just test it real quick. Let me see, the cold cranking amps on this battery is, damn it, does it have it on here? Most battery, here we go. Cold cranking amps, 600. All right, so let's just type this in real quick. 600 cold cranking amps. All right, we at 600. We're gonna hit enter. Okay, battery tested okay. 6.3 surface charge. 648 cold cranking amps. Okay, so that's telling me it's slightly overcharged, but state of charge is 100%. State of health is 100%. Yo, that's crazy. This battery was put in over 4 years ago. I put this battery in over 4 years ago. That's crazy. And the starter not the starter, the alternator on this car over 4 years ago. And this charging system is superb right now, other than the cables. Hold on, y'all. Standard, 600. I just wanted to check that again. Resistance is 5.11 ohms of resistance to the battery. It's okay. Code cranking up. Yeah. This battery is totally fine. That's crazy. But yeah, definitely your battery should definitely be something that you should check on a daily, or, you know, at least every time you get an oil change, have them check your battery, have them test it, have them check the terminals, check the corrosion, because something as simple as that little blue dust on your battery can keep your car from starting, because it's nothing but resistance. You know what I mean? All that stuff is resistance, is resisting your electrical flow. So you're going to keep that stuff off. You want to keep it clean, so your electrical system can flow the way it should. You know what I mean? And make sure they always, your terminals are always tight, okay? Because they do vibrate loose. So, yeah, man. So if I helped you in this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one.